So, same type, one more question I will explain. See the question. A man travels 600 km partly by train and partly by car. It takes 8 hours and 40 minutes if he travels 320 km by train and the rest by car. It would take 30 minutes more if he travels 200 km by train and the rest by car. Find the speed of the train and the car separately. So here also the question is find the speed of the car and train. So let us take speed of train as x kilometer per hour and speed of car as y kilometer per hour. In this particular question also, the relation is given in terms of time. For traveling this much distance, he took 8 hours and 40 minutes. Okay, so relation is given in terms of time. What is the formula? Time is equal to distance by speed. Now just to draw the picture. A man travels 600 km. Total how much? 600. So from here to here 600 km. How he traveled? Some distance by train and remaining by car. In first case, if he travels 320 km by train, so 320 up to here by train and the rest by car. What is the total distance? Total distance is 600. 320 by train and the rest by car means what is that rest? 600 minus 320, that is 280 by car. Understood? It takes 8 hours 40 minutes. So 8 hours 40 minutes means 40 by 60. 0, 0 cut. This one cut. 2 by 3. So time is 8 and 2 by 3. What is the second case? It would take 30 minutes more if he travels 200 km by train. Only 200 up to here by train and the remaining. What is the remaining then? 600 minus 200, that is 400 by car. What happened? Here he required 8 hours 40 minutes. Second case he required 30 minutes extra. So we have to add this. What is getting? 8 hours 70 minutes. 70 minutes means what? 1 hour 10 minutes. What is 70 minutes? 1 hour 10. So time is 9 hour 10 minutes. So what is that? 9, 10 by 60, that is 9 and 1 by 6. Understood the point? Here 8 hour 40 minutes required. Second case he took 30 minutes more. Means 8 hour 40 minutes plus 30, that is 8 hours 70. We won't tell 8 hours 70 minutes. 70 minutes means what? 1 hour 10 minutes. So that 1 hour is adding here. So 9 hour 10 minutes is 9 hour 10 by 60, that is 9 and 1 by 6. Now you have to form the equation. What is the first case? See, distance is 320, speed is x. So by the first case, 320 by x plus 280 by y is equal to 8 and 2 by 3. What is meant by 8 and 2 by 3? Convert into improper. 8 3s are 24 plus 2, 26 by 3. It is our equation 1. Next, 200 by x plus 400 by y is equal to 9, 1 by 6, 9, 6, 54 plus 1, 55 by 6, it is equation 2. Now what to do for solving? Put 1 by x is equal to u and 1 by y is equal to v. So equation 1 become 320u plus 280v is equal to 26 by 3. It is our third equation. Then 200u plus 400v is equal to 55 by 6. It is our fourth equation. Now you decide which one you want to make equal, either u or v. This case I am going to make u equal. Okay, u equal means here you see this 0, 0. It is a multiple of 10. Now what is remaining? 32 and 20. So just you find the LCM of 32 and 20. 2, 16, 10, 2, 8, 5 over. Now 5 into 2, 10. 8 into 2, 16, 160. And one more 0. Why? Because we didn't take this 0. So 1600 is the LCM. So we are going to make 1600. So for that, multiply third and fourth with some number. Okay, 320 into 5 and 200 into 8 gives the same. So 320 into 5 is 1600u. 4, 200 into 8, again 1600u, plus this you have to complete. Do the calculation yourself. Okay, I am leaving. You do yourself. Find the value of u and v. Then find the value of x and y from here.